Hello, this is Miss Gasparini. I am making another video for my lovely RPI mathematicians and any other first grade mathematicians watching. My last video was about two-digit addition without regrouping. This video will go into two-digit addition with regrouping. This is something we talked about very briefly before school closed. We didn't spend a lot of time on it. So I thought it would be nice just to have a little refresher for our packet we sent home. I know my RPI mathematicians were working so hard on this, and I know they're going to keep doing a great job while they're working at home, but I still wanted to make this for you guys. So the problem we're doing today is 27 plus 16. Like last time, I've turned this into a vertical addition problem because it's easier when I'm adding two-digit numbers to make it a vertical problem so I don't confuse myself. I have 27 plus 16. I've drawn a line down the middle to separate my tens and ones. I've also already set up my picture chart. I've put 27 on the top and 16 on the bottom. For 27, I have two tens and 7 ones. For 16, I have 1 10 and 6 ones. So what I'm going to do first, just like last time, is to count up my ones because I always count up my ones first. So I'm going to count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I made it to 10 ones. Some of us should already know, what does that mean I have to do? I have to regroup. I need to turn these 10 ones into 1 10. So I'm going to circle these 10 ones. Circle them right up so they're all together. And to symbolize that I'm turning them into 1 10, I'm going to draw an arrow to the tens place. And I'm going to make a new 10. And I'm actually going to copy and paste this one to make it a little bit easier for me. There we go. So now that I've made this new 10, I'm going to cross out the ones that I've used to make it so I don't confuse myself. So I had those 10 ones. I made them into 1 10 because 10 ones is the same as 1 10. Now I'm going to count how many ones I have left. I have 1, 2, 3 ones left. So that means I have 3 ones. And I had that 10, but what I'm actually going to do to show I also had a 10 is I'm going to put it above my tens place over here to remind myself I made a new 10. So now I'm going to count those tens. Let's see. I originally had 1, 2, 3 tens. But now I've made this new 10. So I'm going to count them again. I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So if I count my new group of 10, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And I'm going to type that here. So what does this mean? It means I have 4 tens and 3 ones. I'm going to put that with my vertical addition problem. I have 3 ones, 4 tens. I have 4 tens and 3 ones, which means that 27 and 16 makes 43, which means 27 plus 16 equals 43. I hope this was clear. Next time, I'm going to do subtraction without regrouping. If you have any questions about your packet, please let me know. I'm available on Class Dojo for all my lovely RPI mathematicians. I miss you guys so much. I really hope I get to see you again soon. And I hope you are staying safe and having a lovely day. All right. Bye-bye.